happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. May all your wishes come true. Happy, 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 happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your
Hello to my best ever supportive friends in YT World na pinakamaganda, napakamabait, matulungin, at higit sa lahat ay mayamanens. Sana all, happy birthday sa iyo sis. More birthdays to come. Enjoy together with the circle of your family, friends, and relation. More blessings to come. Happy birthday.
Hi guys, ako pala si Ebrin Vlog, nasa inyong harapan. At may babatiin po akong isang kaibigan o kapatid, kapamilya na patuloy na nakasubaybay sa aking channel. Walang iba po si Ma'am Elisa Love. Ma'am, maraming salamat po sa patuloy mong pagsuporta sa aking channel. At isang masasabi ko lang sa iyo, Ma'am, happy birthday, more birthdays to come, and congratulations po, Ma'am. Ayan lang po masasabi ko. Bye, Ma'am Elisa. God bless. Love you.
Hello, Sis Elisa. Happiest birthday, sis. My wish only for you is to have always good health. And then, stay as what you are. I know nga, super kuan gid ka, super buutan. Ug matinabangon, labi na sa atong kuan, YT. Ako lang, medyo na kuan lang ko karon nahilom sa atong kuan ba tungod sa kabisi sa akong pag-school. Pero kung may time gani ko, panagsam kuan mo kung makapasok ko mga LS. So hopefully lang malapit na baya po kang ikasal baya. So I just wish lang your happiness in life, especially sa imong pasukan na nga new journey. So just huwag nila pa chillin lang, and then continue as what you are, and then always happy and enjoy lang ang life. So malang to sis, we love you and take care always. God bless.
Ngayong araw na ito po, October 9, gagawa po ako ng video upang ihatid para kay Ma'am Elisa Love Quiet Vlog sa kanyang kaarawan ngayon. Ma'am Elisa Love Quiet Vlog, happy birthday to you. At naway bigyan ka pa ng napakahabang panahon upang i-celebrate ang iyong birthday. At lagi po kayong enjoy lang po sa iyong sarili, iwasan yung maging stress kasi nakakapangit yung maging stress. Kaya smile lang po lagi, at alam ko naman po na masiyahin kayo, at higit sa lahat napakabait nyo po sa amin, sa ating team Elisa Love Legit Family. Alam ko po na kayo po ay talagang napaka-supportive at mabait na admin. Ayan, naway mabusog mo kami sa iyong kaarawan ngayon at happy birthday lang po Ma'am Elisa Love Quiet Vlog. Andito lang po kami, ako si Anthony Abe na laging handang sumuporta anytime. Once again, happy birthday Ma'am Elisa Love. Enjoy lang po sa inyong life at sa iyong birthday at sa iyong pagbababakasyon. Ingat po kayo lagi. God bless po and more power. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ma'am Elisa Love Quiet Vlog. Ayan, thank you.
Ayan guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening po sa lahat. May babatiin lang po akong isang kaibigan. Hindi lang isang kaibigan kundi isang family ang turing namin sa isa't isa. Ayan, happy birthday si Elisa Love. More birthdays to come. Good health always. More cakes to slice. Ayan. At sana masaya ka sa iyong karawan kasama yung family at yung loved one. Ayan. At congratulations din kasi malapit ka ng maging isang misis. Ayan. Happy for you, si Elisa Love. Mayroon ka ng sariling family soon. At sana lumago pa yung ating pagsasamahan, pagkakaibigan bilang isang kaibigan sa YT, bilang isang family. Sana magkikita na tayo soon. At yan lang. Happy birthday. God bless you always. Bye-bye. I love you, Sis Elisa.
Ayun, hi Ate Elisa. Happy birthday. Og hinatunta nga daghan pang blessing moabot sa imuha og madawat ang pingkanunay sa imong trabaho. Hinunto nga naa ka sa mga maayong panglawas, maayong panglawas sa matag adlaw og yun. Daghang salamat ate sa imong pagkamayo, no. Once again, happy birthday. Aping kanunay. Bye-bye.
Hello, Sis Elisa. Una-una sa lahat, binabati kita sis na happy birthday. Ayan, balita ko, dibo mo na daw. Thank you so much, Sisi, for being very supportive, lalong-lalo na sa akin. Alam ko, hindi man tayo madalas magka-chat. I know in myself, alam ko na sa puso't isipan kita. Thank you so much, Sisi Koy, for being nice to me, hindi lang sa akin, kundi sa lahat ng Team Elisa. Thank you so much, Sisi Koy. Good health, and syempre, more blessings to come to you. Happy birthday once again, Sisi Elisa. I love you. Take care of yourself always.
Hello, Ma'am Elisa Love. Ayan, magandang araw at maligayang kaarawan niyo po, Ma'am Elisa Love. Happy birthday to you, Ma'am Elisa Love. Ayan. Naway bigyan ka pa ng mahabang buhay at more birthday to come in your life. Ayan. Mag-iingat po kayo, Ma'am Elisa Love, lagi. Ayan po. Maraming salamat po.
Hello, Ma'am Elisa Love. Happy birthday. More years come. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. God bless. Greetings from OFW Life Vlog.
Hello, Elisa. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Sana lagi kang ingat sa saan ka man naroon, and good health, more birthday to come, and sana masaya ka sa imong buhay na imong sudlan. Yun lang. God bless always. Ingat ka lagi.
Hello guys, mega love shout out to all of you. This is Tita Gingy. Today I would like to greet Lalabs Elisa Love Love because today is her natal day. So to you Lalabs, happiest birthday to you. Wish ko sa you is good health lang as always and stay guapa as always and good luck to your love life in the future and continue to be a blessing to everyone. Sana kung ano ka ngayon, ganun ka pa rin in the future. Thank you for helping our fellow YouTuber and we are very grateful we have you. So, Lalabs, good luck also to your channel and more revenues to come. Lalabs, happy birthday! Enjoy your day! Mwah!
Hello po, Tita Elisa. Happy birthday po. Mag-ingat ka po dyan. God bless. God bless po.
Give it to me like